Since 1967, St. Lawrence College has been opening doors for tomorrow's leaders in Eastern Ontario, with over 100,000 graduates across more than 100 full-time programs. But did you know that St. Lawrence College offers more? More opportunity to grow, more opportunity to explore, more opportunity to learn. Introducing SLC Plus, a collection of learning opportunities that extend beyond traditional academic programming. SLC Plus is micro-credentials, short, competency-based training to help gain employability skills in a condensed time frame. SLC Plus is personal growth and general interest programs available for those who want to explore new passions and interests. SLC Plus is part-time courses, certificates, and diploma programs designed to accommodate busy schedules. SLC Plus is corporate training, customized training programs built to respond to the needs of local organizations. Whether your goal is to upskill or reskill, to pursue a new interest, or to drive business innovation, SLC Plus is here for you.